Introduction. Concrete compressive strength mostly depends on the mix design, but it is affected by several other factors like mixing of concrete, placing of concrete, curing of concrete, as well as quality of concrete ingredients. Knowing the compressive strength of concrete, we generally test a concrete cube or concrete cylinder at a laboratory. These cube or cylinder are made on the construction site. Cubes are properly cured and being used at age 7, 14, 21 or 28 days. Objective: to determine suitable casting and curing day for compression tests before concrete use, then to determine the characteristic strength of the concrete. Material and equipment. Material that we will use is cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, and water. Water must be clean enough to drink. There are various types and size of mold. In this test, we will use 150, 150, 150 mm, and then tapping rod, hand scoop, and water tank. Procedure: mixing the concrete by hand and then concrete tube test. First of all, we need to determine the mixture of concrete. For explanation, you can watch my next video in slump test. Then we need to place a fine aggregate and cement on a base and mix together. Add coarse aggregate and mix until evenly distributed. Add water and mix until the mixture is consistent. If you are satisfied with your mixture, proceed to do a slump test to ensure the water is not too much. After slump test, proceed to the casting and curing. Concrete test cube. Cleaning and fixing, pressing, compacting and finishing. Last is curing. Cleaning. First of all is cleaning and fixing. Make sure we use a suitable mold. Apply a light coat of proprietary mold oil in the internal face of the mold. Fix the cube mold with brace brake tightly. Then, pressing, compacting and finishing concrete. Place concrete into mold in 3 layers. Compact each layer by cleaving blows with the tamping bar. Make the top surface of concrete cube even and smooth. Leave the mold completely undisturbed for first hours after casting. After ending undisturbed period, put down casting date and item name on the top of concrete specimen with a permanent marker. Lastly, curing. Remove the cube specimen from the mold after 24 hours of casting. For removing specimen from mold, first loosen all nuts, bolts, and carefully remove specimen because concrete is still weak and can be broken. Immediately after removing, put the specimen into a tank of clean water for curing. Make sure cube specimen is fully submerged in water. After 7 and 28 days of curing, take out the specimen from the water tank and sent to laboratory for testing. Generally, 3 cube specimens are tested separately at a laboratory and the average result counted as concrete compressive strength. Result. This is the sample of result after we do a compression test. For other explanation, you can watch another video in compression test video. Safety and precaution. We need to wear normal safety PPE like safety boot, wear protective gloves, and make sure the cube mold correctly and ensure all nuts are tightened. Conclusion. The most curing day process begins, the most compression strength increase. Reference.